Okay, so we will uh, uh, keep the color of screen black, and if it's uh, too much, we can maybe keep it 180. Okay, now looks better. Now what we will do, we will bring a circle, another circle, hold shift key and draw a circle here. Okay, I hope look it looks good. We will drag it something like this so that they overlap. Okay, so far so good. Maybe we can reduce it a bit. Yes, now it's look good. Now just keep the have a look in this on this circle with good focus, because you will learn all the trick in this. Or okay, someone asking that can you repeat again? Let me show you again what we have done. Actually, we have brought a screen here, and what we have done, we have filled it with black color, and then we have bring a circle and draw here, and also we made a copy of it and we drawn it here. Okay, then we change its color to something like pink, and also change its color to something like purple. Okay, then what we did, we added effect and went to layer blur and did it 180. Okay, we can also we can add this effect just by copying and pasting here. It will also change. Okay, so you can do in this way also. Then we added this circle. Okay, so hope it is clear. So now as the circle is added, what we will do, first of all, we will change its fill to, also I want to make a draw two boxes for our color. Okay, so I pick this color, and for this I copied it, I pasted it here, and for this I copied it and I pasted it here. Okay, so these are basically our colors so that we don't forget it. So now what I did, I moved it to, what I am doing, I will change its fill to 100% white. Okay, then I will do its ST to 15%, you will see something like this. And another thing you don't forget that you have to change its blend mode to overlay. Okay, so it will looks like this. Now what we will do, we will go to the strokes and add a stroke to it. And what we will do for stroke, we will pick two colors. One color we will pick this one, and for this one we will pick this color. Okay, and we will rotate in same direction where our colors are available in this way. Okay, and keep in mind we have to keep it inside and do it to 4. So you will see in this way. Now you are seeing the whole circle is lit up, but we need to change something. I will add one here and one here. And for this, I will change the opacity to 0. And for this, I will change the opacity to 0. Okay. So maybe I will move it here and move it a bit here. Okay. Now looks great. Now you see here we can see the gap, and where we have the color, we can see the lit up portion. Okay. So this is the important thing. Okay. I hope you understand that how we have worked. Now, what we do, we will copy this circle, Control C, and we will add another circle, Control V. Inside it, we will remove the stroke. Also, we will keep the fill high. And sorry, sorry, we just by mistake we changed our original one. I think yes, it was not copied, so it was my mistake. Okay, let us do it again. Keep the fill and add the stroke. Do it 4 and change it. Add gradient. Change it to pink and change this to purple. Just round it. Add one here and add one here. Just do this, and for this, just do this. And okay, done. It's done. Now, just here we need to put it to overlay mode. Okay, it's overlay mode already. And what we can do here, anything else we can do on the effects, maybe we can do layer blur and we can add it to okay. So it's not look good, so I am deleting it. Okay, Okay, so now what we will do, we will add another circle here. It should be a smaller circle inside it. Keep in mind, press hold shift so that you can get equal size. Maybe we can do some a bit bigger. Now looks better. We can, okay, now it's look better, I think. Both are in circle. Circle. Okay. Now what we will do, we will bring our image. Okay. So for image, we will, I am pasting it here for right now. Okay. And then what we will do, uh, we will bring this image. Maybe we can just resize it. And what we will do, we will move it to here. Maybe we can resize it. Keep in mind, press shift while resizing it. Okay. Looks great here. Now see here what we will do. Uh, First we have to select these two circles, both these. By holding shift, you will see here they both are selected. Okay. Now what you will do, you will group selection. Okay. So we have a group here. Okay. Now what you will do, this image, you will bring it here inside this group. Okay. And now this image is a part of this group. We will move it here. Okay. And what we will do, this smaller circle, not the bigger. I will add and use as a mask. Now you see everything is changed. You can adjust the size of image if you want to increase like this way, or you want to move its position. But I think it is a right position. Okay, I hope you get the point. Okay, someone asking that how do we get the cropped image? Okay, good question. So for cropped image, there are many options. Uh, I show you one simple software that is very good software. So you can change it there. So that is a free software, and I am bringing you to there so that you can see how you can do that. Okay, so its name is uh, Microsoft Designer. Okay, and let me bring to you to there. Usually I do this in Canva. I have paid version of Canva. My browser is loading. Just wait a minute. Uh, okay, so I am moving to the Chrome here. So this is designer.microsoft.com. Here you can change the uh, what you will do. First you will download the image from Unsplash or any other thing where you think it's good, and choose that image, and I have this image. Bring it here, upload it, and okay. So can you see the screen? Someone message that they cannot see the screen. Can you see the screen? Okay, great. So I was telling that in this software, designer.microsoft.com, here you will uh, upload your image. Now our image is available. Now what we will do, we will bring it here. Sorry, I forgot to switch off my laptop yesterday. That is why it is loading so much. Uh, so let us have the screen. Okay. So here we have, now you have the remove background option. Just remove it and it will do the work. Okay, now it has removed. Just resize the image. Okay, resize the image and download it. And don't forget to make background transparent here, and you can download it. So in this way you can do. Okay, the other way is use the Canva. I usually use Canva. Okay, because it give me better result. I have paid version. So in Canva, what I do, I have this same image. You see here, just I go to the edit and I remove background. So it is quickly remove the background also, and you see the quality of the image is also great. Okay, so in Canva you can do a lot of work. And then I go here, and in Canva it gives me a lot of options to download. I can also download in SVG format, PNG, JPG, or any other format. Okay, so I can download it from here. So we have these two options. There can be many. In yesterday's class, I also shared one. I will share that with you also. Yes, for Canva, it is a paid. No, you maybe you can do it. Let me check it. Uh, yes, it is for premium, because yes, it is premium version. You cannot do this thing in free version of Canva. Okay, but you can do mic in Microsoft. Microsoft is a free tool, so you can do it there also. But and there are many other sites you can research. And yes, in yesterday class, I also told one class where you can find one website where you can find. So you can search it in there also. Okay, so now as our picture is ready, let me know that do you have any question right now? You understand what we have did as of now, because only 4 minutes remaining in this meeting, so we will start another meeting. So far, if you have any question, class, please ask me so that you don't miss any important thing, because I want you to learn all the important things in this class. Okay. So no question, then I will close this meeting. Okay, someone asking that he is the circle part. So which circle part? The center circle part you are asking? Okay, let me explain you once again. Here I am bringing another circle. I am holding the shift. Keep in mind, holding the shift and drawing the circle. I have this circle. What I will do, I will first of all I will change its color to share the screen. Sorry, I forget to share the Figma screen. Okay, here on Figma. Okay. Now you can see on Figma. I think now you can see. What I was doing that. Okay, so first of all, I brought in a circle. I make this to white and change this to overlay. And then what I did, I do it to 15%. And I then added a stroke. And I stroke for stroke, I need to have the same color chosen which are used here. Okay, so first I pick this color and then I pick this color. Okay, now after choosing this, I am doing in this fashion, and one more added. So what is the advantage? Well, first I will do it to 4. Now you see it is whole circle is covered. Okay, I want some dark spacing like here you see. So for that I will do. I go to here. I will add a point here and add a point here. And what I will do, I will move it to 0 opacity and I will move it to 0. Now I have dark spacing available. You see, now I have dark spacing available. Okay, then what we will do, we will select these both. One we have this one, and another we will add. Hold the shift and add here. Okay, now it's ready. Now what we will do, select this both circle and change it to group selection. So in this way, once it is group selection, then we will bring our image from here. I place it here. Okay, so we will place our image. Okay, hope you can you have joined. So I was telling that once you have resized the image, place it here and go to your just from here. Bring this to your group. Okay, here now it is in group and the smaller circle you change it and use as a mask. Then your image will be ready. So in this way you can do this. Okay, I hope now the it is clear and I hope now it's clear and everyone has joined now class again. Okay, let us continue. Then I will bring a text box here from here and I will create a text box here. I am just copying this and on this image just creating a text box and I am pasting it here. Okay. So about the sizing, you need to check your sizing and one important thing, what I have used here I have used 85%. You see, if I select it, what is the difference? I selected it and make it 100%. You see, it's clearly bright, but I want it to have it a look like this. I want to give it a shadow type thing. So I will give it a 85. Okay, in this way. And now what I will do, okay, I am holding the Alt P and resizing our box. Okay, now it's resized. Okay, its position is good. Now I am holding the Alt key and dragging it down to make a copy of it. And what I will do, I will just copy it and here on this screen maybe we can paste it. Okay, in this way, but I will not tell you that way. I will copy and yes. Now I will paste it here. Okay, and now I have to resize this box in this way. Now it's look better. Uh, so I was telling you that we have brought the text here, aligned it, and one more thing you keep in mind that here opacity you need to uh, keep it 75. Here we have kept 85 and here we have kept it 75. So this is the difference. Okay. Now what I will do, I will uh, what I will do, I will create a box. I have two options. I can create a box or I can create a frame. I usually like to choose the frame option. What I will do, I will go here and I will make a frame like this on here. Okay, this is our frame and we will change it to maybe 30. Okay, and I first of all I will add a stroke, and what I will choose for stroke the same colors, uh, this one, and for hair the same color, this one, and maybe I will change it to 3 or maybe 4 or 3 looks great. Okay, then I will rotate this in this way. Okay, okay, in this way. And once our frame is ready, we will just what we will do, we will copy it. We will basically control D. Okay, we make a duplicate of it. Okay, so for making duplicate, first let me. Okay, okay. Now let's select it and control D. So it will create a duplicate. And in that duplicate, what we will do, we will add a fill, and the fill should be of the same gradient. Okay, so for same gradient, I will select pink here and I will select pink here. And here I will select this pink, and for here I will select this purple, and I will rotate it in this way. Okay, and another thing that I will do, I will add an effect. and layer blur, and maybe do it to 40 or maybe 60 or maybe 80. Okay, we go with 70. Okay, looks great. Okay, so in this way, we have button ready. Now what we will do, we will add text here. And I will, we have text here available. And what is the issue with the text? We will resize it 24 and yes, now here our text is visible. Okay, so what we will do, we will bring this frame here under this one. Sorry. Um, yes, in this way. So number 8 is our main frame and these are our subsequent frames. Okay. And what I will do, I will also add an auto layout here in this one and keep it in center. And here I will use it a hug or fix instead of hug. So you will see, sorry, um, frame 9 also we have to. So now when I am moving it, you have to, I have to keep it in center. Okay, for center, what we will do, it is auto layout, and yes, here we will give it, for example, 20 spacing and up down 10, maybe 5, or maybe, yes, in this way. Here, my content, maybe now is the word. Okay, there is an, okay, I hope it is clear. I wanted to show you one thing, but that is not happening now. I don't know why. But the main thing was to show you that how you can create this button. Okay, so you see, it's when I am moving here, Bino is moving here. So Bino should, yes, it should be in center. So instead, it should be in center. center. And when we move here, mm, okay, yes, it should be in center. Okay, I now it's clear. So if you think you can increase its stroke sizing, you can add 4 here. Okay. So in this way you can uh, change its glow also. And one more thing, you can add here. Yes, this thing we missed out. This thing. Okay, for this thing, what I will show tell you how we made it. Okay, first I go to my mobile hi-fi design. Here I have already made it this. Okay, I will just copy it. You can do yourself in that one also. And I go to here. mm, uh, Maybe here. Yes. And what I will do, select here and control V. And our frame is here. Now what I will do, I will change the color selection to here, from here to white. Okay, so now it's white. Now let's resize it. So let's add a grid to it first. In grid, instead of grid, we need columns, and we need 6 columns, and we need, let's say, 24 margin, and let's say gutter space is 20 good. Okay, so so these thing, first I will, yes, these things should, this, and this. They should be on the right side and on the top side. Okay. Now what will happen when I am moving it, it will also move this. Okay. Another thing I noticed, there is a very small gap between these elements. Okay. So what we will do, okay, so we can, change this space to maybe 16. Yes, 16 looks to be good. And now one element is outside, so we have to bring these to inside. First I move it inside. I select this, I select this, I select this, I select this, and I select this, and I move this inside here. Now it's look to be great. Maybe I can move it a bit. here. And similarly, what I can do is I will move it a bit here. Okay, now looks great. Now what I will do, I will fill it, and for fill I will use this thing, and I will maybe use a bit gray, and for this I will move it to 100% zero. And I will rotate it a bit in this way, and I will opacity to 40. And what I will do here is that I will add a stroke and sorry, I will add a stroke, and stroke should be of 2 maybe, and the color of the stroke should be maybe white, and the stroke I will change to 10% rounded. Okay, and now I will add a drop shadow here. A drop shadow with increasing the blur amount, and I think a stroke should be 1%, like this one. And now I think yes, the one other thing, the drop shadow color, maybe we can change the color to white. Okay, now looks bit great. Another thing, we can increase the drop shadow in y direction. Maybe this one, and in x direction maybe a bit here. Okay. So in this way, yes, now looks perfect. Uh, the drop shadow, I think in x we need -4. 4 we need, okay, 4. Okay. Okay. Looks great. So let us see it in prototype window. So in this way, we have our screen ready. But I don't know why it is not shown in the mobile frame. It should be in the mobile frame. Uh, Maybe on the prototype. In the background. maybe. Okay, I don't know that why the it is not screen showing the in the mobile screen. Uh, but maybe here I can see it. What is showing? Okay, it's also not showing in the mobile screen. I have okay now here it's showing in the mobile screen. Okay, this I made for iPhone 8 Plus, so it is showing in the mobile screen. I don't know why that was not showing in the mobile screen. Let me check it again. It's hanged out. Okay, so two question. It's Meghna asked that it seemed difficult to me about grid calculations. Okay, so for grid calculation, I want to tell you that before in the grid class, I told you that there should be, you need to keep in mind the grid, everything for grid, you should be in the multiple of four. Okay, for example, we are keeping 12 number of columns for our window screen, desktop screen, and we divide that by 2 to get our mobile screen in. We can get in, we have 6. We can also have 8 in mobile phone and 16 in the desktop. It depends upon you. And other thing about the margin, so margin should be also multiple of 4. In the window screen I kept 72, here I kept 20. Okay, so it also depends upon you that how much it should be. And the notch space also, notch space also should be multiple of 4. It will give you a better resolution and effect. So in this way, you can play around uh, different things. Okay. So my Figma is hanged out. I am closing it and let's open it again. So I hope it is clear. Okay, so uh, another question is that he said iPhone 13 have notch and its cover, top side have home screen icon. Okay, so uh, I want to tell you that for uh, for mobile phones here, I have not used the uh, we say the UI toolkit. I am going to show you that how we are going to work with that. Okay, so I am going to show you that. Let me open the Figma. Okay, so Figma is loading. So till that, let me answer your question. Okay, now let's try. Maybe we can get our it in our mobile phone. Still not in mobile phone. I don't know why it's happening. It's not showing in mobile phone. I don't know why it's happening. Okay, so I think I have explained grid and top. Now, yes, I wanted to show you this UI kit. This is available iPhone 15 UI kit. It is available on community. You can go there and download it. Okay. What you will see in the comment in the kit, you get header, icons, containers, components, many things. Okay. So uh, here on the component, you see, yes, you see tab bar, center alert, and text field, tab views, navigation bar, status bar, keyboard, colors, typography, screens, and download and anything. So you can also add text field. Okay, you can also add these search bar elements. Okay, so these search bar element you can also use from here, or and there are many things, many tools you have built in there, so you can just use them. So in the next class, I will also tell you that how you can use this easily. Okay, so in the from here you can get a complete toolkit, and in the next class we will learn that how you can add these things like the time icon and these things easily. Okay, so don't worry, we will learn a lot. And other things, another question is, can you upload the today lecture? Yes, I will upload today and yesterday lecture, inshallah today and another thing, another question was about the text tool someone asked, and I think that is removed. I don't know what Meghna asked about the text tool. Okay, so I maybe I did not read that. So I hope we are clear for today's class, and please try this. Try to make it and understand why I have used which things. Okay, so you can have an idea. Okay, okay. Yes, sure. So for now, bye bye. See you in the next class. Please try